Transaction statuses in Lemonway are crucial for understanding the lifecycle of a payment. They tell you exactly where your money is in the process, which is key for a seamless operation. Let's break down the main statuses you'll encounter. First, there's pending. This means the transaction has started but isn't finalized. It's waiting for something, like bank confirmation or a customer's 3DS code. It could still end up successful or fail. Next, the one you want to see most, completed. This is a successful transaction. The funds have been successfully credited to the target payment account, and the account balance is updated. Everything is good to go. Then we have statuses indicating a problem. There's error. This signifies an incomplete and failed transaction, meaning the funds were not credited. Reasons can be anything from incorrect bank details to an issue on Lemonway's side. A close cousin is canceled. This means the transaction didn't get credited, but often because the client didn't complete it. Maybe they closed their browser or failed to enter the required authentication details. Finally, keep an eye out for scheduled. This status is typically used for transactions planned for a future date, such as recurring payments or certain bank transfers. The action is planned, but hasn't been executed yet. Understanding these statuses, pending, completed, error, canceled, and scheduled, gives you clear visibility into your platform's financial flow, helping you manage funds and troubleshoot any issues quickly. Knowing them is essential for smooth payment management.